Good afternoon. I have wrote a case to you for you today, and it's called Friends and Family and Favoritism. It's a nepotism case. The case title is Jordan Taylor versus Casey Reed, and it's a county civil court. Facts about this case. So Jordan Taylor and Casey Reed were best friends since childhood. In 2024, Casey was hired as the manager of a local government office. Shortly after, Casey hired her cousin, Amber Reed, as an assistant, even though Jordan had also applied and had more experience. Jordan believed she was passed over because Casey wanted to help her family, not because Amber was more qualified. This caused tension, and their friendship ended. Jordan sued Casey, claiming she was a victim of nepotism and unfair hiring practices. The issues to consider: did Casey Reed break the law by hiring her cousin over a more qualified applicant? And does this act all under nepotism as outlined in the Code of Alabama? The criminal code from Alabama Admin Code is 580-6-34-03, nepotism. And it states, to ensure equity in the employment at all levels of management, no person shall be employed in or promoted to a position which is under the direct supervision of a relative or a person with a strong personal tie. The agreements for the plaintiff. Jordan Taylor. Jordan had more qualification experience than Amber Reed. Casey hired her cousin, Amber, just because she was family. This is a clear case of nepotism and a misuse of power, only because the family member was close. The argument for the defendant, Casey Reed. She met the minimum job requirements, Amber, and passed the interview. Hiring Amber was legal because she was not directly reporting to Casey. She was directly reporting to the law firm that she applied for. Their personal relationship should not affect the fair hiring decision between the two just because one knows the other more than the other. Here's a few evidence for the defendant. Jordan's resume shows 5 years of direct experience in office management, while Amber only had 1 year of unrelated work. Also, the other evidence they have is a text message from Casey to Jordan stating, "You know I had to help family first," meaning they sent a text to each other and they quote that they had to help family first. The evidence from the defendant is interview scoring sheet showing Amber scored 85 out of 100 and Jordan only scored 82 out of 100. And also the other evidence we have is a signed HR form confirming Amber will report to another supervisor, not directly to Casey, just to hide the fact that just because they know each other. The decision and the rationale for the judge's decision was the court ruled in favor of the defendant, Casey Reed. And it reads, while the court recognized the close family connection and the appearance of favoritism, it found no direct violation of the law. Amber met the basic qualifications and there was no evidence she received the job because only she was family. The hiring process, although questionable in ethics, did not clearly break section 36-25-5B of the Code of the 1975 Code of Alabama. We have confirmation of another evidence as detailed from a conversation between Jordan Taylor and Casey Reed on March 15, 2024. Time was 6:42 p.m. And I quote, Jordan Taylor, "Hey, I just found out Amber got the job. I thought I had a real shot. What happened?" Casey Reed, "Yeah, I'm sorry, Jordan. It was a tough choice." Jordan Taylor, "Tough? I've got 5 years of experience. She worked for retail for a year. How's that even fair?" Casey Reed, "Look, you know I had to help family first. I hope you understand." Jordan Taylor, "So you admit you picked her because she's your cousin?" Casey Reed, "It wasn't just that. She interviewed well. Please don't take this personally." And by the two people involved in this, it's another evidence, Exhibit D, which shows the scoring sheet between the two interviews. And this was done by March 10th, 2024. Jordan Taylor, I'll read his points first. So relevant experience, he got a 25. Amber Reed only has 10. The communication skills, Jordan Taylor has 15. Amber Reed only has 18. Professionalism, Jordan Taylor has 12. Amber Reed has 14. Interview responses, Jordan Taylor has 20. Amber Reed has 23. Team fit / culture, Jordan Taylor has 10. Amber Reed has 20. In my case, I think only because Amber Reed's her cousin, the team fit / culture fits the family criteria and what they made of and what they make together. So the total score, all that, Jordan Taylor has 82, Amber Reed has 85 out of 100.